Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert JPG to PNG image in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open a Photoshop document. Now you can see convert JPG image to PNG. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select from picture. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open. Now you can see then we show the open JPG picture. This picture in convert PNG. Now going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from save as option. Now select from image file name. Now type from name. Now select from format. Now click. Now select from PNG option. Now click from save. Now click OK. That it's. Then open the file. The sec. That it's. Now you can see save export PNG image to JPG in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy